All right, everyone, shrimp and cauliflower grits made my way. Time to taste it. Okay, I got bacon, I got the shrimp and cauliflower there, everything is. Oh my. The cauliflower is so creamy. The flavor from the butter and the Cajun spice on the shrimp, and then the bacon is crispy, crunchy, and smoky. This does not taste like a diet meal. I love the different textures. You have the creamy grits, crunchy bacon. This is amazing. This is outstanding. This far exceeded my expectations. This was so good. Hearty, satisfying, absolutely amazing. I have no other words other than you have got to try this dish. If you want a nice home-cooked meal, something that is satisfying, this will do it. The flavors are there, the texture is there. It is outstanding. It is absolutely amazing. Thank you all for joining me. Tomorrow I'll be back with another delicious keto shrimp recipe. This one by far has been the best out of last week's chicken and out of this week's shrimp. Thus far, this is my favorite. This is my favorite. It is so absolutely amazing. Come back and see me tomorrow, guys. I love you. Have a blessed and prosperous week, and I'll see you guys on tomorrow. Sincerely, Virginia. This was so good. So good. I'm gonna get seconds.
Really good. I just got to do just and the flavors were amazing. This is going to exceed our expectations. Is it good? It looks like always looks better in the camera. I mean, look at it in camera as opposed to with narrated.
Right, it looked very sexy. It was one thing that said